Good morning dear students. Welcome back to our online classes, class 4. Today we are going to start our maths chapter, that is chapter number 1, and we are going to start our numbers. In Zoom class we have already discussed about the numbers and we have started our exercise 1.1. Question number A to question number D we have completed in that class. Now from question number E we are going to start in this class. What is question number E? Write the following in place value chart. Here number is given. You have to identify the position of this number. You have to identify the place value of this number. Here you have to make the box. And firstly, how we study this number? Like this, ones. So write O, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So 2 at which place? Ones place. So write 2 at ones place. Now 5 at which place? Tens place. So write 5 at tens place. Again 2 at which position? Hundreds place. So you have to write 2 at hundreds place. Now 5 at thousands place. So you have to write 5 at thousands place. Now again 4 at which place? 10,000. So you have to write 4 at 10,000 place. Similarly you have to do this. First write the position of the number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. Here digits are extended and we have to reach till lakh. So write the position: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. Now at ones position which number is there? 3. So write 3 at ones place. 2 at tens place. So we have to write 2 under tens place. Now 7 again at hundreds position. So write 7 at hundreds position. 8 at thousands place. So write 8 at thousands place. 3 at 10,000s place. So we have to write 3 at 10,000s place. Now again 3, but it is at the lakh position. So you have to write 3 at lakh position. In this question, 2 points I have already explained you, and rest 2 you have to do by yourself. It is your homework. Question number F. What you have to do in this question? Write the number name for each of the following. What you have to do in this question? Number is given and you have to write the numbers in the words. Means you have to write the spelling of that number. So first write the position of this number. 5 at which place? 1. So write O. 7 at tens place. So write T. 6 at hundreds place. So write H. 4 at thousands place. So write TH. Then 3 at 10,000s place. So write TH. Means 10,000. So how we will write? 34,675. So write the spelling of 34. THIRTY, 30. FOUR, 4,000. So what is the spelling of thousand? THOUSAND, thousand. 600, SIX, 6. Now you have to write the spelling of 100. HUNDRED, 100. 600. Now you have to write the 75 in words. SEVENTY, 75. FIVE, 5. Now similarly you have to do the fourth point. Second and third you have to do by yourself. It is your homework. Now I am going to explain you fourth point. Now firstly write the position of the number. 4 at which place? Ones place. 3 at tens place. And 7 at hundreds place. Then 2 at thousands place. 7 at 10,000 place. And 9 at lakh position. So here numbers are extended and we reach up till lakh. So you have to write 9 N-I-N-E 9 lakh L-A-K-H lakh 72,000 S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 T-W-O 2. What is the spelling of thousand? T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D thousand. 734. So 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 734. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. F-O-U-R 4. Now question number D is write the numeral for each of the following. Means it is written in the words, you have to write in the form of number. So first is 42,869. How will we write this number? 42,869. It is at which place? Ones, tens, hundred. 800 is there, so it is at hundreds place. 1,000 and 10,000. 42,000, it is at 10,000 place. Now second point is 89,937. How will we write this number? 89,937. 937. 7 at which position? Ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So here 89,000 is there. So it is at 10,000's place. 9 at hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred and 7 at ones place and 3 at tens place. Now rest 2 you have to do by yourself. It is your homework. Question number H is write the following in expanded form. What you have to do in this question? You have to expand this number. Number is given and you have to expand this number. Firstly, write the position of the number. 6 at ones place O, 5 at tens place T, 2 at hundreds place, so at 4 at thousand place, so write T, 4 at 10,000, so write TH. Now it is at 10,000 place, so write 40,000. Then plus, then 4 at 10,000 place, so write 4,000. Then 2 at hundreds place, so write 200. Then 50 at tens place, so write 50 plus 6 at ones place, so 6. Similarly, you have to do the third point. 5 at ones place, so write O. Then tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. And it is lakh position. So what you have to do? You have to write 5 at lakh position. 5 lakh plus 40,000 because it is at 10,000 place. Now plus 5,000. It is at 1,000 place, so we have written 5,000. 9 at which place? Hundreds place, so write 900. Then at tens place 0 is there, so you have to write plus 0 and 0. Then plus 5. 5 at ones place, so you have to write 5. Now second and fourth you have to do by yourself. It is your the numeral for each of these. What you have to do in this question? It is the opposite of the above question. Firstly, number is there and we had expand that number. Now in this question, expansion is given and you have to write the number. So 1 at which place? It is at ones place, so write 1 at ones place. Now 90 is there, it is at tens place, so you have to write 9 at tens place. 100, it is at 100 position, hundreds place, so you have to write 1 at hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred. Then 7,000, it is at 1,000 place, so you have to write 7 at 1,000 place. Then 30,000 is there. It is at 10,000 place, so you have to write 3 at 10,000 place. 1, ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000. So similarly, you have to do the third point. 3 at which place? Ones place, so write 3 at ones place. Then 50, it is at tens place, so you have to write 5 at tens place. Then 500, it is at hundreds position, you have to write 5 at hundreds place. And 5,000, it is at which place? Ones, tens, 100,000, so you have to write 5 at 1,000 place. Then 40,000 is there, it is at 10,000 place, so you have to write 4 at 10,000 place. Then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. It is at lakh position, so you have to write 8 at lakh position. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Second and fourth point you have to do by yourself. It is your homework and you have to do this points in your max pair. Students, question number J and K is based on the abacus and you have already studied the abacus in your previous classes. It is very simple and easy question. You have to do by yourself. It is your homework.